Okay, so today I want to show you how you can take a wireframe you created in UX Pilot and convert it to high fidelity design very easily. So at the end, you will have something like that. You can see here the wireframe I have, and then I convert it into high fidelity design like these styles or this Neo Brutalist design or this style. So at the end, you will be able to create a wireframe in UX Pilot, then take it and convert it to high fidelity designs very easily. Let's see how we can do it. I am here in UX Pilot. First of all, I click here on the gear icon, another page settings, a description about the website I want to generate. In that case, website for finalist mobile application to manage your income and expenses, track saving, set budgets, and monitor spending in real time. We have it here. Let's close. Now we are ready to create the first wireframe. I click here on wireframes. Let's take the standard model, select here desktop, and then I will need to write a prompt. I will click here to see it here in the center, paste the prompt. In that case, simple prompt, landing page for website for finance mobile application to manage your income and expenses, track saving and set budgets and monitor spending in real time. The landing page includes header, hero section, benefits section, testimonials, and footer. You can see that this part, the first one, it's the same as we add before to the page settings. It is not must to do it, but I find that sometimes if you duplicated the information on the page setting and the context, it helps to create more accurate result. And below this part of the prompt, I added the sections I want to have on the landing. It is not must, but if you want more accurate, add this information to UX Pilot so you'll get more accurate result at the end. And UX Pilot will generate for you something that you want and not something that UX Pilot think that is good for a website. I click here on update context and then we are ready. I click on generate, and in the meantime it's create the wireframe. I will let you know that if you want to use UX Pilot, I will leave the link on the description below. Okay, it's created the wireframe. Let's make zoom in. We have the header, the hero section, some benefits of the product, a part that explains who choose to use the application, and by the way, it's add also a name to the application, theme track. If you have a name, just add it to the prompt and it will generate for you the wireframe with the name. Some testimonials below, and if you go down, how you can download the application and a footer. I did zoom out and just let you know that if you want to make changes on the wireframe, you can do and iterate until you get the wireframe you like. But let's say that you are okay and this wireframe works for you. Now you want to create high fidelity design. Sometimes you want a high fidelity for a pitch, for a deck. Maybe you want to show to a product manager, for developer, to the CEO of the company, and you want to work faster to show them the visual design. To do it very easily, first of all, I eliminate the prompt from here and I add another prompt. Let's open to see it a little bit bigger. I paste the prompt. Replicate this exact wireframe, shared as a reference, convert it into a new high fidelity with more colors and images, icons, and any detail that converts this wireframe into a high fidelity design screen. I click update context. Here below I select high fidelity and a model that I want to use. In that case, I will select the standard model. Here I click on reference and I select this screen and you can see that it is selected. Once this is set, I click on generate and now UX Pilot will create this screen as a high fidelity design. Okay, it created a screen as you can see here. We have the wireframe screen with more colors that look like high fidelity design. You can see it here, the header, the hero, the smart feature the application has, why choose the application, testimonials. You can see it's added also in images, and below how the user can download the application and the footer. The good thing is that if you have some design system connected to UX Pilot, you can create the same page with the style of this design system. Now, if you don't know how to do it, I will add a link in the description below that explains how to do it. But basically what I can do now, select the wireframe, then select the design system that I imported to UX Pilot, and it will create the same wireframe in a specific design for a design system I imported to UX Pilot. I click here, and below I will take the Neo Brutalist design. Just let's see that we have the prompt and we see that the wireframe reference page is here. I click on generate. Okay, it's finished the work. Let's zoom in. We have the header, hero, and here below the more Neo Brutalist design style. You can see here also below. It's also odd, I don't know why pricing, but I can eliminate it when I import to Figma. Below the how to download from the App Store, you can see the buttons that are more Neo Brutalist design. I think I need to make changes here because it's very white and you can see here the text also soft gray and there is accessibility issue here. But okay, I can fix it on Figma after that. Zoom out and here we have the footer. You can see here that we have three types of design, wireframe, one style that is more simple, and at the end one Neo Brutalist style. And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like, please like and subscribe. If you want to use UX Pilot, I will leave a link below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.